In this video, I'm going to show you how to use auto clicker on your phone. So first, you're going to have to go to Play Store and you need to search for auto clicker. And here you're going to find a few options here. So you can choose whichever you'd like. So I'm going to just choose this one and I'm going to install this one. So after you install this one, let's go back here and you should be able to find it over here, as you can see. So click on it and here it's gonna just show a introduction display. It might ask you to log in, so let's just skip through this very quickly. So here it's asking for the language. Let's choose English and click OK. And here, I'm not sure what this is. Let's just okay. So here is the options. So select mode, 1 point mode. Tap a single position repeatedly at a specified interval. So if you select this option and click start, and here it's going to ask you to allow the accessibility. So you're going to have to allow it basically by going here to the option accessibility and let's enable it. So let's see what they ask for. So how to do, please allow, then find it in. Okay, so it's basically the one at the very bottom. So if you go here, you should be able to see this one. So let's enable this one and this should be good. And here it's asking for, I'm not sure what is this asking for. It's a battery optimization, auto start allowed. And let's see if they're asking for anything here. App launch and auto clicker, enable it. Okay, so let's go ahead, click on auto clicker here and let's see, auto, let's go to apps first. So let's try ahead and yeah, it's all enabled, so I think I should be good now. I should be able to use the app. Let's try it again. So let's just leave this and go back here and see if that works. Okay guys, finally it works now. So if you go to the app now, go to auto clicker, and if you go here, let's just wait for this to load and let's remove this. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, so if you click 1 point mode and click start, here it's gonna ask you how fast should the action happen. So if you want it to happen every second, I'll choose every second and I'll put just every 5 seconds, and then I'll click done. And here it's asking me, so now you can just leave the app because you have these options here. So what you're gonna do here is just, you're gonna grab this point. This is where it's going to click. So let's say I want to click on themes and I want to click on it. So I will choose the interval that I already chose. So I'll click on this. As you can see, every 5 seconds it should click, and basically it's gonna keep clicking for every single 5 seconds. And you can adjust this as much as you like, and if you click here it will basically stop it. So let's just go back here a little bit and let's just see, let's stop it right here. So as you can see, there's plenty of options that you can do here. Anytime you go and just click and start the interval and start basically the auto click settings, it will give you options to click and switch. And if you go here, let's just discard this and go back to the app and choose the multi-point mode, it will basically allow you to have more functions and tasks. So if you click here and click done, here it will give you more options. As you can see, it will explain the options for you. So let's go back, and here is basically, this one will move, for example, from one point to another, and this one adds more buttons and points and so on. So you can discover and explore this as you like and as you go through it. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.